Hey guys, this is SolarRack333 with another review, and here I have another DNA Designs DK-27 MPM-12 upgrade kit. This is the upgrade kit for the Masterpiece movie Optimus Prime, and here he is with the upgrade pieces attached. Now, I'll say this. Attaching the upgrades on this figure is a pain. Oh my god, it was such a pain. And such a pain, I don't know if I'm gonna use all the pieces. Now what I wanted was make them taller, so you have to replace the thigh and the knee joint. The plus side is that you have more articulation, and you have thigh swivel. The original figure had a swivel at the knee, which I think is awkward, so this is a much better piece here. You have to unscrew a lot of things to do it, and it does come with its own screws, and I used them, but it was such a pain to screw them in there. And then you also have to use the little pieces inside the original legs and use them in the upgrade kit, so you got to be careful you don't lose them when you take it apart. Oh man, it's a pain. And then the other selling point was replacing the forearms for a better looking robot mode. No longer do you have the truck windows on the back of the forearms. You now have some robotic detail. I think it will add some extra lines in the truck mode, so you kind of have to decide which version, which mode do you want to look best, the truck mode or the robot mode. And I'm gonna go with the robot mode. I do still transform them, but I want the robot mode to look good. And the other piece, which I don't think I will replace, is the shoulder bit here. This, you have to remove the pin and very carefully take the spring out. Yeah, I'm just not looking forward to swapping the spring and then repinning it, so I'll deal with that. I don't mind this. The new piece folds in to make the truck mode look a lot cleaner. It doesn't look good. I don't know why they would design that. There's no need. That little bit of detail was unnecessary. But I think I'm just going to leave that the way it is. Angela. There's Angela. Angela, what are you doing here? Look at that. I think that's her debut in my videos. It also comes with a new head, but I think I'm going to keep this one on. I never noticed that there's two shades of blue. Doesn't bother me, so I'll leave it alone. But yeah, there it is. Is it worth the 55 bucks? That's for you to decide. Hey, my power went out. Yeah, power went out. That is for you to decide. I think it's, I had some spending money, so I used it, and I'm pretty happy with it. It's just a pain to switch, and but I think it looks cool. Thanks for watching.